Let's go in. Wait, guys, wait. Wait, guys. My best friend Saturday. I cannot skip this because I'm literally doing this in my laptop. By the way, I'm watching Glitch right now. So hurry up. Also make the red one happy if you want the light blue one to be happy. And if you don't want it, you can just do it like that. And the red one. Goofy eye red. No, up in here. This is an ugly art because I'm tired of doing a whole perfection. Press this finger thing and now press the square and do fill color, press the fill color and make it like that, like that. And okay, it's too small for something. But no. Oh, you can do this, buddy. Okay, let's just do this. Yeah, I forgot to do. It is a perfect one. Such a dummy. Oh, wait, okay, no. I forgot. Well, I'm such not smart. I wasn't supposed to say D and N because my mathematics can say that. But I forgot that this is too dark. Excuse me. Go back. Okay, now it's too light. So slow. Hey, you're a unicorn. After that, you can go to the normal and let the triangle press the triangle. And you can pick like a normal multiply. I just do multiply. You do it on all of the layers. You can do it on all of the layers. And bring this down. And you will do the arrow. Press the arrow. When you click on it, it says flipping. And there you have it. Oh my gosh. And see, the red one became the blue one because obviously you can see it in the screen, in this red screen. Because it's also color red. Bruh, the ears are changing.